So everybody does affiliate marketing, from your big YouTubers like Casey Neistat, to your celebrities like Kim Kardashian, your famous entrepreneurs like Tai Lopez, even the big companies like Adobe and American Express are involved in affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm gonna run you through exactly what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Okay, so thanks for watching Starting Up, the channel all about passive income tips for financial freedom. I'm Greg. Last year I made $20,000 alone from affiliate marketing, so I wanted to tell you exactly what it is and how it works in this video. And this is the start of a new affiliate marketing series I'm going to be doing over the next 2 months, every Monday. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button so you see videos like this pop up every week to teach you step by step about affiliate marketing. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer and learn exactly what affiliate marketing is. Okay, so here we are on the video of one of the most famous YouTubers on YouTube, Casey Neistat. And it's probably best for me to use him as an example to properly explain what affiliate marketing is. So here we have this video. You can see it got over 61 million views. If we scroll down below this video, we can see that Casey has got links to every single item that he's used to make this video. So his camera, his tripod, the lens he used. And the reason he's doing that is because of affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is basically means a referrals. When someone says affiliate marketing, they basically mean getting referrals. And it's referrals for promoting a product. So you promote a product, your following, your audience goes and buys that product, and you get a commission for those referrals. So referrals equals commissions. And what Casey is doing here is affiliate marketing. He's got links to these items. When you click the link, it takes you through to the Amazon page where you can go ahead and buy that camera. And when anyone goes from Casey Neistat's video to this page and buys this camera, Casey Neistat is going to make a commission on that sale. And with 61 million views, you can guarantee a lot of people probably went through and bought this camera, and he made a lot of money from this video. And we can see that Casey Neistat is getting money from this sale because when we go to the link at the top and we scroll along in the link, we can see at some point his name tag equals Casey Neistat. And that is how Amazon knows that this was a referral from Casey Neistat and he needs to be paid commission for any sales because they can track him in the web address at the top of the browser. So in a nutshell, that is what affiliate marketing is. It's making referrals and earning commission for those referrals. And with making referrals from online content like this, so videos on YouTube, blog posts on your social media page, you can be making those pieces of content now and be making money from affiliate marketing on that content in a year's time, 2 years' time. You can be sat at home playing on your PS4 and making money because someone is watching your content or reading your content, digesting your content from social media and making a purchase when you're doing nothing. So affiliate marketing is a form of passive income. Passive income is what we focus about on this channel, and affiliate marketing is a great way of passive income, being able to make money while you sleep, not having to trade your time for money, but doing the work once and making money on a recurring basis. So does affiliate marketing and passive income sound like something you want to be achieving? If yes, just write yes in the comments below so I know that you're interested. And just because of how amazing a form of passive income affiliate marketing is and how popular it is, that's why I'm making this weekly series for the next couple of months. It allowed me to quit my job and make over $20,000 alone from it last year, so I want to share this information with you over the next couple of months. There's a ton of different providers that allow you to do affiliate marketing with them. So the example I just showed you was using Amazon, and that's done through the Amazon Associates website. So you go to Amazon Associates, which is an Amazon website, you join up for free, and like they say here, you join them, you then advertise their products, just like Casey Neistat was on this video, and then you can earn commission. So you earn up to 10% commission in advertising from advertising their products in your content. There's websites like ClickBank here, which is a provider for lots of different products from different people. So Amazon is just for Amazon's products, but with ClickBank, you have a lot of different businesses advertising their products through ClickBank. So you can join them up and have a ton of different items that you can promote in your content. And there's lots of other websites just like ClickBank that have tons of different businesses and providers that you can advertise for. And finally, you've got websites like Adobe. So this is the Adobe affiliate page. You come here, become a partner, and you can advertise things like Photoshop, InDesign to your followings, your audience, and Adobe are going to pay you a commission every time someone buys their products from your suggestion, your recommendation. And it's knowing the best providers to use, which is a real big skill with affiliate marketing. Who is going to pay you the most money for your recommendations? What businesses are you following and people out there most likely going to want to buy from? That is a really big skill to learn in affiliate marketing. It's something I teach on this channel, so subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I'll be teaching it a lot throughout the next few months. But it's something you really have to fine tune and learn along the way. So for example, I make a lot of videos about t-shirts, so making t-shirts, designing them, selling them to people, and a printing company that I use a lot is this company Printful. So I send my designs to Printful, they print the t-shirts for me and send them to my customers. And when I talk about Printful in my videos, you can see here they have an affiliate program. So what you'd normally do is you come to the business's main website. So here's Printful that everyone sees when they land on the Printful website, and you'd normally scroll down to the bottom like I'm doing now, and there'll be a link on most businesses' websites called, here look, affiliate program. So lots of legitimate businesses offer this affiliate program. It's not a scam, it's an established thing that celebrities, professionals do to partner with these big businesses. So you click on this affiliate program link and it takes you through to the affiliate branch of their website where you can sign up and start promoting their products in your content, in your social media pages, anywhere that you have a following. And if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing and you want to do it for free, so you don't want to pay to build a big expensive website, but you want to find the way to get started for free and start earning commission as quick as possible, you should go to my website and download my free PDF, which shows you through, you can look here, the 3 free ways to make money online with affiliate marketing. So from my experience, I thought of 3 great ways to get started that you don't pay any money and you can start making money within the first 24 hours. So if you want that free PDF, go to my website. I'll put the link in the description to this video, so you can go ahead, put your email address in, and I'll send you that PDF so you can get started straight away. And like I said, I'm starting a new weekly series all about affiliate marketing for beginners. So if you've got the PDF, also make sure to subscribe to this channel, Starting Up, to get these videos every week and learn all of the tricks and tips to get started with affiliate marketing. But just to finish up, I just want to really summarize the 3 most important skills to learn to be successful with affiliate marketing. So first off, you need to learn how to identify niches, so topics of products, categories of products that are gonna sell, that are really popular with people. There's a saying that the riches are in the niches, and that is basically exactly what I'm talking about. You need to know exactly what products are popping, what are popular, and people are gonna want to buy if you recommend them. Secondly, you need to know how to build an audience. It's all well and good joining affiliate programs and putting your links out there, but if you've got no one to see your links and go ahead and buy those products, you're not going to make any money. So the second really important skill with affiliate marketing is knowing how to get a big audience and to promote to that audience. And finally, the third skill is promoting to that audience. How do you promote a product and not seem pushy or desperate, you know, or sold out? You want to be able to do this stuff in a natural way where people feel benefited and valued that you suggested really useful products to them. So those 3 skills, building the audience, finding the right categories of products to talk about, and how to organically promote to audiences are really useful skills. It's what I'm going to be talking about on this channel, especially in the next few months in my weekly affiliate marketing series. But just make sure if you want to get into affiliate marketing, you're going away and learning those skills too. So that's the end of this introductory video into affiliate marketing. If you've got any more questions about affiliate marketing, if I maybe wasn't too clear on anything in particular, let me know in the comments below. Like I said though, there's going to be a ton more videos over the next few months about affiliate marketing. I'm really excited to start this new series. So check in every week. Like this video, it really helps me get noticed on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll basically see you next week with the next number 2 video on the affiliate marketing series.